Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Math Experience. Today I will be showing you how to multiply and how to divide fractions. Okay, let's start. All right, so let's suppose we have a fraction. Here we're going to write the fraction 3 over 5, and then multiply the fraction 4 over 9. Okay, so how do we multiply these fractions? We multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So we will create another fraction that will have on the numerator 3 times 4, and the denominator will be 5 times 9. Yes, we could simplify this 3 and 9, but we'll do it at the end. 3 times 4 is 12, and 5 times 9 is 45. Now these two numbers could be simplified because I could divide those by 3. Okay, so let's simplify. And 12 divided by 3, that'll be 4. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. So the multiplication of 3/5 times 4 over 9 is 4 over 15. Let's change this 5 in there. Okay, let's look at another example. What happened if we are dividing the fractions? For example, 4 over 7 divided by, let's suppose, 3 over 2. Okay, how do we divide the fractions? The process will be to keep the first fraction, 4 over 7. We're keeping this one. And what are we doing with the second fraction? We will flip over. Okay, the numerator will becomes the denominator, and the denominator will becomes the numerator, and the division will change to a multiplication. Now it's 3 over 2. We're gonna flip this one, and will become 2 over 3. Look how this denominator now becomes the numerator, and this numerator becomes the denominator. From here, we'll do exactly the same. We know already from our example above, we know how to multiply fractions. So we're doing the same here. 4 times 2 over 7 times 3. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That will be 8 over 21. There's nothing that we could simplify there. So let's jump to another example. Now, what happens if we have one fraction divided by another fraction? For example, if we have 25 over 4, and this fraction is divided by 20 divided by 12. Think on this. Now, our big fraction is here. This is our big fraction, right? That's our big fraction, and this part, 25 over 4, is our numerator, and 20 over 12, that is our denominator. We can see this specific example is very simple. We can just see it. This is equivalent. Let me put it here. This is exactly the same of having just 25 over 4 divided by 20 over 12. It means the same. Having the numerator and the denominator, this line of fraction represent a division, a quotient. So it's exactly this one. If we follow the same rules that we just learned above, we will take this numerator as the first fraction, and then we'll multiply times the second one, but we'll flip it over. Okay, we'll exchange numerator and denominator. Okay, let's exchange it. We'll exchange it here, 12 over 20. All right, so we have, okay, is 20, 25 times 12, and 4 over 4 times 20. Now we can start simplifying here to make it easier, okay? So a half of 12 is 6. Half of 4, 2. A half of 6, 3. A half of 2, 1. The fifth of 20 is 4. The fifth of 25 is 5. And then we'll have 5 times 3, 15. 1 times 4, 4. So that will be the answer. If we divide 25 over 4 by 20 over 12, the answer will be 15 over 4. All right, one more time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the Mr. Math experience. Remember, you can always send your questions. We will be glad to produce and create some content for you. Thank you so much.